Hello everyone, welcome to the practical series for S5CS computer network. Today we will see how we can configure a wireless network. So for configuring a wireless network, we first of all need a access point. Okay, so I click for that purpose. I placed here. Okay, and I can get many number of options. So after this, we take this one. Okay, you can note down it. This is access point PTAC. Then we can have some hosts. So I select the first of all a wireless. I can select a mobile phone. Okay, then I can select a tablet. Okay, and then we select a PC. Now as we can see, as soon as I keep this component here, they are directly connected, because mobile phone and this mobile device and the tablet, they have the wireless interface, but this PC has not got connected because PC is not having that particular interface. So we need to add the interface. So now let us see how we can add a wireless interface to the PC. So we click on here, and in the physical option you can see there are many options are available, but we come to this particular area, this one. So first of all we need to turn off this PC. So the PC is turned off. Now there is already one interface here. We need to remove this interface, so I just click and drag it over here. Now this is open. Now this is now we can put any other interface here. So here there are various interfaces are available. So we select this one, PT host NM1WAC. I put it here. Now this has been attached. You can see, you can bring it out, but we have to attach it. So this is how we attach it. Then we turn it on. Okay. Now as soon as we turn it on, you can see that we get the connectivity. Now we need to configure we need to give the IP addresses to each and every device. So first of all we come to the PC, desktop, then here, okay, as you can see, we want to have a static address. Okay, sorry, this one we want to have a static address. Sorry, we are not so this is a static address. We give this address is 10.0.0.2. okay, the default gateway is 10.0.0.1. okay, then we come here to the tablet. So in tablet also we can assign the address, desktop, IP address. Okay, we are giving the static address. So this is 10.0.0.3. okay, and then 10.0.0.1 to the mobile device, desktop, IP address, static, then 10.0.0.4, and this is same for every device. Okay. Then we come to the PC. Okay, and then let us type the ping command. We come here and then type the ping command. As you can see, we get the reply. We are getting the reply. I will do it again, there was a mistake. Okay, as you can see, we are getting the reply. Now let us ping the tablet. So ping 10.0.0. I have done 3. Sorry, it was I pinged the tablet first. Now I'm pinging the PC. Sorry, mobile phone. So this is what we get. Okay, we can even send a ping message from mobile device to any other device. Okay, this command prompt. So ping 10.0.0.2 PC. So we are getting the reply. So that's all for this particular session. Thanks for watching.